Hey, David here. So, I'm going to keep it as concise as possible. No storytelling, straight actionable steps. And I'm going to give you a framework you can use in your business in the description below. So, as I said, I'm David, and if you're a coach, consultant, or a service provider who feels burnt out from all the endless sales calls and manual prospecting, I'm about to show you a new frictionless way to consistently bring in premium clients every single week without picking up the phone for a single pitch call. So I'll break down the exact automated funnel you can set up in a few days or even hours. And I use this system, many others use this system to enroll high-ticket clients hands off, all hands off. So if you're ready to save hours, eliminate sales pressure and scale your business without hustling in the DMs or on endless calls, stay tuned. I'm not holding anything back. So let's be real, traditional high-ticket selling is flawed. You see it everywhere. Coaches spending countless hours scheduling and running sales calls, only to be ghosted, bargained with, or rejected by underqualified prospects. It's repetitive, frustrating, and honestly, it drains your creative energy. So here's the deal. High-value clients want transformation, not a sales pitch. You don't need 30 people on your calendar every single week. You need 1 to 3 perfect clients who are ready and excited to pay for a premium result. And when you're dependent on cold outreach or time-wasting sales calls, your income and influence hit the ceiling. So, plus you're always on, glued to your phone, juggling follow-ups and dealing with unnecessary objection. So I decided there had to be a better way. I wanted a system that would educate and pre-sell my ideal clients for me. One that works 24/7 without me. And that's when I built the high-ticket funnel. Here's how the system works, step by step. Step 1 is to attract qualified leads. First, you need to get the right eyes on your offer. I use a mix of targeted social content, optimized for SEO, value-driven emails, and a single lead magnet directly addressing the biggest pain point of my client, of my dream client. No shouting into the void, every piece of content points to the main funnel. Easy. Step 2 is to pre-qualify with an application. So rather than just letting anyone through, prospects complete a quick application form. So this isn't a jump through hoops situation. It's fast, clear, and helps them self-identify as an action taker. So my questions filter for intent, readiness, budget, and I asked things like, what's your biggest challenge right now, or are you ready to invest to solve this? And then step 3, deliver automated value. Once someone applies, instead of booking a call, they get instant access to a high value training, pre-recorded and highly strategic. So this video, or even a PDF if you want, or a digital resource, addresses their objections, gives a taste of my methodology, and clearly outlines the transformation that my offer delivers. Step 4 is to invite them to take action. So here is the powerful part. After the training, the best prospects are invited to either purchase right away or apply for a spot via a simple automated process. So there is a booking link if an onboarding call is needed. Otherwise, they can complete the payment and onboarding on the spot. No high pressure, no awkward conversations. So step 5 is to follow up automatically. For those who don't move forward, automated emails nurture them for the next week or two, providing more value and inviting them again when they are actually ready. So the entire funnel runs without manual work. All I do is tweak my content and respond to pre-qualified applications. So then setting this up is easier than it sounds. Here's all you need. A simple landing page builder like ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, or even Card will do. Then you need an email marketing platform for automations. I use ConvertKit, a form or a survey tool to pre-qualify leads, which is a Typeform or Google Forms, anything. Then your training video or PDF hosted anywhere. I use YouTube and then mark the video as unlisted or just upload the PDF to Google Drive. Easy. If you require onboarding calls, use Calendly for scheduling and Stripe for payments. Stripe as a payment processor. That's it. No complicated tech stack, no learning to code. It's about clarity and automation, no complexity whatsoever. So why does this system convert so well? Well, because it gives your best prospects exactly what they want. Transformation, trust and clarity on their time, not yours. So you're not forcing them into awkward sales calls. Instead, you're providing immense value upfront, addressing the true reasons people hesitate to buy. Skepticism, confusion, lack of proof. And then you invited them, the right fits, to say yes on their own terms. That's the key point. They make the decision for themselves. So I've used this approach to consistently enroll 1 to 3 high-ticket clients every week, sometimes even more. Clients love the straightforward process, and so do I. So let me answer a few quick questions that I get about this system. So does this work for new coaches? Yes, absolutely. As long as you can deliver results and have a clear offer, even if you're just starting. Your unique perspective is your edge. Then will people actually buy without a call? 100%. People hate sales calls. People who are educated, pre-qualified and trust your process prefer to move fast. The key is your content. Answer their top 3 objections and show clear proof. So what if someone isn't ready yet? That's fine. The automated emails are there to nurture them. Many come back a few days later or even weeks later and then buy when the time is right on their own schedule. So how do you handle sales objections without sales calls? The right training video or PDF does this for you. So you list the most common doubts and address them head on. Is automation impersonal? Not at all. So prospects appreciate the transparency and efficiency. That's the key, efficiency. Right, so if you're ready to get this rolling, here's what you need to do next. Clarify your high-ticket offer. What is the specific result you deliver? Who is your dream client? And then you map out your funnel. Identify your main lead magnet, application questions, and what your automated value piece will be. Then you create your assets. You film your training video, write your emails, and set up your simple forms. Then you connect your tools, build your landing page, link the application, and then sequence your follow-up emails. Next thing is to launch. Send traffic via content, DMs, or even paid ads if you want. Review applicant quality and refine as you go. So every step is about making it easier for perfect clients to say yes without either of you wasting time. So if this sounds like the kind of a business you want to run, ditch the sales calls and try this automated funnel. I've put a free checklist and template for you to help blueprint your version. It's in the description below, and I ask you to comment funnel to let me know that you watched the whole video and ask any questions you might have. I'll answer them all. If you want more strategies like this, make sure to subscribe, like and share this video with anyone who needs to hear it. So check out this playlist for more frameworks, and remember, don't overcomplicate it. Let automation handle the heavy lifting while you focus on delivering results.